Hi guys, welcome to Oliveboard. I hope all of you are well. Today is a new day and I have come up with a new word for you in the series called Word of the Day. Today is day 44 of the series, so if you are new to the channel or if you have missed out a previous session, you can watch them in a playlist that has been created for you. In this series, I give you a new word every day, its meaning and its usage in different sentences. Apart from that, I also give you the synonyms and antonyms of the given word. So, this series will be beneficial for you since it will help you enhance your vocabulary and it will also help you if these same words come up in the exams that you are preparing for. So, let us look at today's word. Now, as you can notice, I have edited out certain letters from the word for you to guess. The word of the day is irascible. The meaning of the word irascible is having or showing a tendency to be easily angered. I repeat, the meaning is having or showing a tendency to be easily angered. Let us look at a sentence to understand this word irascible better. The sentence that is given to us says, Dunmore was certainly a haughty, irascible man who made enemies easily and often. So, Dunmore was certainly a haughty man and a man with a short temper who made enemies easily and often. Irascible here is being used as an adjective. Now, let us look at the synonyms and antonyms of this given word, irascible. The synonyms can be irritable, short tempered, or thin skinned. The antonyms, on the other hand, can be calm, patient, or tolerant. Now guys, we'll use the language Hindi to understand this word irascible better. जो सेंटेंस हमें दिया हुआ था हम उसे हिंदी में ट्रांसलेट करेंगे और इस वर्ड irascible को बेटर अंडरस्टैंड करने की कोशिश करेंगे. The sentence that was given to us was, Dunmore was certainly a haughty, irascible man who made enemies easily and often. तो सेंटेंस ये कह रहा है डनमोर एक क्रोधी आदमी था जो एनिमीज आसानी से और जल्दी बना लेता था. तो यहाँ पर irascible का मतलब है क्रोधी होना. So guys, we have used both the languages Hindi as well as English to understand this word irascible better. I hope you liked the session. Like the video, share it with your friends, and for more such content, stay tuned to Oliveboard. Thank you and have a nice day.